this as history today. I view this as lessons from yesterday. You view this as putting up a show. I view this as letting the world know. You view this as playing a character. I view this as an opportunity to build character. Triple back and I.
Sanat Hanesi. Eid Mübarek to all my super fans and friends from me